I'm super excited to show you my new Diana plan that I just completed in Cape Coral, Florida. Now, Diana is my mother-in-law's name. So what's really unique about this property is it gives you a single family home with 2 living quarters inside of this single family home. So that way, if you had an aging parent that maybe had to come live with you, if you had an adult child that was coming back, they have their own space. This house offers 6 bedrooms, 4 baths. It has 2 different laundry rooms. It has 2 different kitchenette areas, also has its own separate entrances and its own garages. So you truly could have family members or friends living with you and have their own living quarters along with sharing a single family home. This house is zoned to be built on single family residential houses. So it's not a duplex. It's a gigantic home again with 6 bedrooms, 4 baths, almost 2,800 square feet. I think it's gonna be one of the best sellers in Cape Coral. It has a lot of utility. Come on in and check it out. So in our Diana plan, this is the kitchen on the larger side of the home. This kitchen offers a couple nice features to it. You can see we built the cabinetry all the way up to the ceiling here. So there's some glass inserts on the top for those cabinets there. There's also 2-toned cabinets. So you'll see that we have the gray in the island here and we use the white shakers on the exterior. So you could choose and mix and match the type of colors that you want into your kitchen. This kitchen's set up to have its own big refrigerator and a freezer inside of the kitchen. We also built in a nice large stainless steel farmhouse sink, which a lot of people love because you can throw all your dishes and pots and everything in here without any type of encumbrances. So when you're working with us at Lauren Homes with any of our plans, we could help design the kitchen that's going to fit the way that you like to entertain and your lifestyle. So the Diana plan is also very unique because a couple bedrooms have its own bathroom, and there's also a shared bathroom. So we have multiple bathrooms in this plan. This would be maybe considered the master suite of this plan. We do have double sinks. We also have a large shower where the tile goes all the way up to the ceiling there, and we put built-in niches into it as well. The way it shows on our website is that it's showers. But if for any reason you did want to build a tub in, that's not a problem. It's just something that you would have to tell us. But we have the ability to put a tub shower or big walk-in showers for your plan. My name is Fred Price and I would love you to subscribe to this channel. I made this channel for people that are thinking about building, that are interested in construction, that want to hear an honest opinion about what I should do, some questions to ask my home builder, some things I could look for in new homes. So I think there's a lot of valuable information from the videos I put together. I build in Cape Coral, Southwest Florida. If you're down here, I'd love to earn your business. Please subscribe to my channel and like this page.